If there is one device that is the gateway to the smart home, it's the smart plug. It's the simplest, cheapest, and most versatile piece of tech you can buy, capable of turning any dumb appliance into a smart one. But the market is now flooded with options. So what's the real difference? Today, as your savvy tech advisor, I'm breaking down the best smart plugs for any situation in 2025. First, our pick for best overall. For 99% of people, the answer is the Kasa Smart Plug Mini by TP-Link. Why? Rock-solid reliability. These plugs just work. Their app is simple, they respond instantly to voice commands from Alexa or Google, and they are built to last. They don't have 1,000 fancy features, and they don't need them. They are the workhorses of the smart home. Next, our pick for best outdoor use. You can't use an indoor plug outside, it's not safe. For your patio lights or holiday decorations, you need a weatherproof outdoor smart plug. Our top pick is the Kasa Outdoor Smart Dimmer Plug. It has a rugged, weather-resistant design, 2 independent outlets, and a great feature most outdoor plugs don't have, the ability to dim your lights, which is perfect for setting the mood on a patio. Finally, our pick for the best for power monitoring. If you're a data geek and want to know exactly how much energy a device is using, you need a plug with energy monitoring. The best in this class is the Eve Energy. This plug not only lets you control a device, but it also tracks its power consumption in real time and over time, showing you exactly how much that old appliance is costing you on your electricity bill. It's a fantastic tool for an energy-conscious smart home. So, Kasa Mini for everyday reliability, the Kasa Outdoor for your exterior needs, and the Eve Energy for tracking your power usage. I've linked all 3 in the description. For more straightforward guides from the logic layer, make sure you subscribe.